Installing your Regal Estate shades is simple and quick, so you can set up your space with ease and confidence. In this video, we'll guide you step by step, keeping each step clear and easy to follow. We'll be demonstrating an outside mount installation, where the shade is installed above and around the window frame to create a clean, streamlined look. The shade includes all the basic components: the shade, mounting brackets, hold-down brackets, a handle, and screws. For this installation, you'll need a few basic tools: a drill, a pencil, a measuring tape, and a screwdriver. Next, depending on the width of your shade, position each bracket approximately 2 to 3 inches from each end of the window frame. Once you've found the placement, make a small mark at the top of the window to guide your installation. Also, depending on your bracket size, make sure there is at least 3 inches of space above the window frame to allow for proper installation. Now, take your bracket and use the holes on the back to mark where the screws will go. Make sure 3 of your marks for each side form an upside-down triangle shape. This will help keep the bracket placing the right placement for installation. Before drilling in the screws, we recommend pre-drilling the holes first to make installation a little easier. Next, place the bracket over the holes and loosely drill in the screws. This gives you a bit of wiggle room to make any final adjustments and ensure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once everything looks good, fully tighten the screws into place. Before attaching the shade, make sure the band falls smoothly into place. This helps ensure proper function when you're ready to detach or adjust the shade. When installing, make sure the narrow side of the headrail is properly aligned with the brackets so the shade can be securely mounted. Now you're ready to install the shade. Click the headrail securely into place. If you'd like to remove the shade in the future, simply pull the release band. This allows you to quickly remove the shade whenever needed. And that's it. Your Regal Estate shade is fully installed and ready to enjoy. For additional guidance or product-specific details, refer to the instructions included with your order or visit regalestate.co for more support.